Okay, here we have finding the least common multiple. Now, sometimes to find the least common multiple, people will create a list of um, counting by 24s, 24, 28, so on and so forth, and then 36, 72, so on and so forth, and then figure out where you end up with the same number. So you might have kind of seen that, but the other way that you might see it is using prime factorization, which is kind of what we've been using before, and it's really helpful when you end up with super large numbers. So we're going to use that prime factorization method. So for 24, again, I do have a prime factorization video. You can go back and view that if you need a review on using prime factorization or the factor tree. So 12 times 2 would give us 24. 2 can just hang out because you can't break it down any further. 12, we could do 3 and 4, and we'll leave it like that. Can't break it down any further for 3. 4 can be broken down into 2 times 2. Okay, and so that is broken down as far as it can be. So I'm going to write this as 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. So that includes all of the 2's, 2 times 2 times 2, and then times 3. Those are our prime factorizations. That's our prime factorization. And remember, if we were to multiply all these back together, we'd get back to 24. Okay, and then 36, we could start with, let's say 18 times 2. 2 is all done. 18, we could do 9 times 2. 2 is all done. And then we could have 3 times 3. And that's all done. So we have 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. So what I have here is 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. So when we have a matching pair, okay, so for example, 2 and 2 here, that's just going to count as 1. 1, 2. So my 2 and 2, that's just going to be 1, 2. Times, I have another 2 and 2, so that'll just count as 2. Times, let's see what else I have that's a pair. 3 and 3, so that'll just be 1, 3. And then I have another 2 and another 3, so we need to count those, include those 2 times 3. Okay, so we don't double count these pairs, we just count them as 1. And let's multiply this out. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times 2 is 24. 24 times 3 is 72. So the smallest number that both 24 and 36 will go into is the number 72. And again, this is something that I always have to sort of review. And so please go back, watch the video again. And if you would like another sample, send me an email.